Speaker, sir, of this committee, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, indeed, it is a committee made of imperialists, rationalists. Mr. Speaker, with a lot of liquid knowledge, Mr. Speaker, in this document, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, that is why, Mr. Speaker, I'm supporting this document with all my body parts, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm happy, Mr. Speaker, that today I'm having Honorable Ogeto, Mr. Speaker, who is admitting, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as a member of the board, Mr. Speaker, we have underwent, Mr. Speaker, a lot of stigma, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, since this channel, Mr. Speaker, started, Mr. Speaker, I and the Honorable Joy, Mr. Speaker, we have never even attended funeral, Mr. Speaker. We have never attended funerals in our homes, Mr. Speaker. Even the funeral which was in Bogetutu, Mr. Speaker, we never attended, Mr. Speaker, because of a lot of threats, Mr. Speaker, a lot of intimidations, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, but today I want to tell Honorable Ogeto, a good leader must make a radical decision, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, all these charges, Mr. Speaker, the committee found them that they are substantiated, Mr. Speaker. But, Mr. Speaker, if there is somebody, Mr. Speaker, who has not understood the clerk of this assembly, Mr. Speaker, is somebody, Mr. Speaker, who is too iniquitous, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, is somebody who is vicious, Mr. Speaker. He is somebody who is a mercy seeker, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, whenever he speaks anywhere, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, you can agree, Mr. Speaker. The clerk can convince you, you can take, Mr. Speaker, cooking oil instead of water, Mr. Speaker, because he is too convincing, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Speaker, I may not take any information, and I'm requesting, Mr. Speaker.
You don't listen to anybody.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, sir, the injustice, Mr. Speaker, in this assembly, Mr. Speaker. Some of the, Mr. Speaker, some of the injustices, Mr. Speaker, in this assembly, Mr. Speaker, is the founder, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, when somebody, Mr. Speaker, is confirming the 11 staffs, Mr. Speaker, and Mr. Speaker is clearly saying that, Mr. Speaker, that he never did any mistake, Mr. Speaker, in the public, Mr. Speaker. But yet, Mr. Speaker, in the report, Mr. Speaker, and then in the answer, Mr. Speaker, he just agreed, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, if you go to page 15, on the responses about, Mr. Speaker, gross misconduct and the misbehavior, Mr. Speaker. Number one, Mr. Ogeto, Mr. Speaker, you can even agree with me, Mr. Speaker, that these are weak, Mr. Speaker, these are weak responses, Mr. Speaker, is giving to the committee. That in his response, Mr. Speaker, Olina asserted that the standing order number 10, that was referred to in charge above, was only applicable during the election of the Speaker of the County Assembly. Mr. Speaker, this is somebody who has served in this assembly since 2014, Mr. Speaker. He knows an election is an election, and is the custodian of the ballot papers, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, some of the members, Mr. Speaker, were attacked, Mr. Speaker. I even told you today, Mr. Speaker, that last night, people came to my home. Why are they coming, Mr. Speaker? Some of the small mistakes, Mr. Speaker, which we are doing, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker is just saying that, Mr. Speaker, that the photographs were taken by MCAs, Mr. Speaker. Yet the background of the photographs were taken inside the car, Mr. Speaker. Even if, Mr. Speaker, we are weak